Currently at our soundcheck at the Your Village because we're going to be surprising everybody today. And I'm gonna be performing my A Little Bit More performance with Conchita Wurst.
I am on vocal rest. Hahaha, wir haben die Straßenbahn Nummer 8 gefunden.